Morning. Today again we will discuss for ICSE 24 board exam some MCQ sums. First we will take example from 2-3 chapters like AP, GP or reflection, such examples if we take. First one sum from AP, chapter AP, that which term first which term is negative of this sequence if given like this way. First negative term of if progression given like this 100, 97, 94 dot dot dot, option if given option if given 35th term, 36th term, 34th term, 37th term. If options are given such, we have to find out. Now first we have to identify that this is an AP or not. 100, 97, 94 dot dot dot, differences are equal. 97 minus 100 minus 3, 94 minus 97 minus 3. So it is, they are in AP. Now n term we have to find out here, because which term unknown, so let it be n term. N term of AP formula is an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is first term and n is number of term, d is common difference. Now here common difference we can find out 97 minus 100 minus 3, 94 minus 97 minus 3. So if we apply this formula for first negative term means which is less than 0. So here a first term is given 100, d already we found minus 3. Now if we apply in that formula an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, then we'll find the nth term. N equals to 100 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. Now if we simplify, and it is given first negative term, so we will find all the terms which are less than 0. Negative means less than 0. So n term already we found, 100 plus n minus 1 into d minus 3, that will be less than 0. Now here if we simplify, 100 minus into plus, so it will be minus 100 minus n minus 1 into 3 less than 0. Now n minus 1 into 3, if we take it to other side, then it will be 100 less than n minus 1 into 3. Now if we divide both sides by 3, 100 by 3 less than n minus 1. If we add 1 to both sides, then it will come 100 by 3 plus 1 less than n. That means n is greater than 33 and 1 by 3 plus 1. That means n is greater than 34 and 1 by 3. 34 whole 1 by 3, that means next term we have to take, because n cannot be fraction, so 34 and 1 by 3 means 35th. 35th term is the first negative term. After that all the terms will be coming negative, but first this term is negative. So this is the process for this sum. Now we'll go to another sum. Now from GP chapter, geometric progression. If a question is given such that sum of first n terms if greater than n terms of the series, sum of first n terms of the series, if series given such 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus 24 dot 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 is greater than 100. Sum of first n terms if greater than 100 for the series 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus 24 plus dot dot dot, then n equals to option A given if 5. B6, C7, D, none of them, like this way. Then first we have to check it is in GP or not. 6 by 3 is 2, 12 by 6 2, 24 by 12 2. As the ratios are equal in every case, that means it is in GP, and that common ratio is 2, that any term by previous term is coming 2, so common ratio is 2. So GP sum formula will apply here. Sum formula is S equals to A into R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1, where A is first term and R is the common ratio. A already we know first term is 3 and common ratio we found 2. Now we have to apply this sum formula, in this case GP sum formula. S equals to A into R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1. A is 3, R is 2, so 2 to the power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1 equals to 3 into 2 to the power n minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, so we are not writing it. Anything by 1 is that number. So according to question, this value will be greater than 100. Given sum is greater than 100, so 3 into 2 to the power n minus 1 greater than 100. Now if we take 2 to the power n minus 1 greater than 100 by 3, if we convert into fraction, 2 to the power n greater than 33 on 1 by 3 plus 1, or we can do LCM, 2 to the power n greater than 103. LCM if we do 3 plus 100 by 3, 103 by 2 by 3, 103 by 3. If we divide it, it will come 34 and 1 by 3. 2 to the power n greater than 33 and 1 by 3, 34 and 1 by 3. It's not clearly written, so it will be 34 and 1 by 3. Or we can do that way, 31 plus 33 and 1 by 3, so it is 2 to the power n greater than 34 and 1 by 3. Now n value, if we put 1, 2, 3 like this way, we will check. 2 to the power 4 is 16, 2 to the power 5 is 32, 2 to the power 6 is 60, 2 to the power 6 is 64. So that is satisfying this condition. 2 to the power n, for which value of n? It is 2 to the power n coming 34 and 1 by 3, greater than 34 and 1 by 3, so n equals to 6. So first time n values when 6, then it is coming more than 100, sum is coming greater than 100. After that also it will come, but first n 6, then this will be the answer. So option B. Now we'll take another sum. This time if we take from reflection chapter, one sum if we select from reflection chapter, it is third sum. if 2 comma 3, this point is reflected in the line x equals to k, to form its image on 8 comma 3. If 2 comma 3 is reflected in the line x equals to k to form its image on 8 comma 3, then k equals to option given. Then k equals to option given, option A, 6, option B 4, option B 5, C 5, option C 5, option D 7. For this sum, we have to remember that reflection rule. We can draw it by graphically also. First, if we plot point 2 comma 3 and 8 comma 3, as it is reflected by any line x equals to k, it will be parallel to y-axis, but it will be between 2 comma 3 and 8 comma 3. It will be exactly in the middle, because when we know that from the reflected line x equals to k, it is the object and image at equal distance. So if we take it on x-axis, that 2 comma 0 reflected on k comma 0, and it is going to 8 comma 0. And if we take at proper height 2 comma 3, when reflected to that point k comma 3, it is on the line x equals to k, and then it is going to 8 comma 3. Now distance from reflected to object is k minus 2, and if distance from reflected to image, it is 8 minus k. If we make them equal, k minus 2 equals to 8 minus k, and by solving we are getting k equals to 5. This same sum we can do another way, that when a comma b, a point, is reflected in the line x equals to k, we know it's after reflection it will go to that point minus a plus 2k comma b. Image will be like this, minus a plus 2k comma b. So 2 comma 3, when reflected in the line x equals to k, its image will be minus 2 plus 2k comma 3, because a value is here 2 and b value 3. Now according to question, this image minus 2 plus 2k comma 3 will be equal to 8 comma 3. So according to condition, minus 2 plus 2k will be equals to 8, 2k equals to 8 plus 2, so k equals to 10 by 2, 5. So here k value is coming 5. When 2 comma 3 is reflected by x equals to 5, image will form on 8 comma 3. This is the process for this sum. Now we'll go to another sum. This is from factorization chapter. One MCQ we will solve when it is from factorization chapter. So first write the question number 4. Question is, when a polynomial is given, when x cube minus 2x square plus 5x minus 3 is divided by x minus k equals x minus k, when x cube minus 2x square plus 5x minus 3 is divided by x minus k, remainder is 1. When divided by x minus k, remainder is 1. Then k equals to option given, option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D minus 1. If such options are given, Then how to do this type of sums? We know it is a polynomial given, so we can write it as a polynomial px. We can let it px equals to x cube minus 2x square minus 5 plus 5x minus 3. Now we can let this polynomial as px equals to x cube minus 2x square plus 5x minus 3. Now when it is divided by x minus k, we write x minus k equals to 0, then we get x value k. Now pk equals to, in place of x we have to put k, because we know when it is divided by x minus k, then in place of x we put k. According to question, this pk will be equals to 1 remainder. By remainder theorem we can get it. So pk, already we found k cube minus 2x square plus 5k minus 3. According to remainder theorem, this will be equals to 1. Now if we bring 1 to left side, then it is coming k cube minus 2k square plus 5k minus 3 minus 1 equals to 0. So k cube minus 2k square plus 5k minus 4 equals to 0. Now we know we have to find a factor for this expression k cube minus 2k square plus 5k minus 4 by putting k value. K value, if we put 1, it is coming 1 cube minus 2k into 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 4 equals to 0, and it is coming ultimately is 0. So left hand side right hand side matching, so that means k value 1 for this